This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G versus the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now the Z Fold 2 has the Snapdragon 865 Plus processor, 12 gigs of RAM on Android 10, and its latest version of One UI 2.5. iPhone 11 Pro Max has the A13 Bionic chip, 4 gigs of RAM, and this one does have the new iOS 14 update. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time here, see which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G versus iPhone 11 Pro Max speed test. What will happen right now? Samsung versus Apple. Oh, looks like the iPhone, but the Z Fold 2, not that far behind. So that was a close one. I think I'm gonna give the slight edge to the 11 Pro Max, but you guys ultimately are the judges. And we are in. All right, man, let's get right into it. I'm gonna swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test. I'm gonna go like this, and I'm gonna go like that. No recently used apps on the Z Fold 2, and then on the iPhone, nothing in the background. All apps, caches, browsers have been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Ooh, very close. I think that was the iPhone. Messages. I think that was the Z Fold 2 with the comeback. The camera. Now this might be a challenge on the Z Fold 2 since this is a foldable device. So I'm gonna do it like this. I'm gonna do it like that on the iPhone. And let's go. A little bit faster on the iPhone. I think we have the clock next. So let's fire that up. Very close. I'm gonna go ahead and start up the stopwatch on both. Leave that running in the background. Calculator. We'll call that one a tie. Very close. Play Store, App Store. Ooh, I think I'm gonna give that one to the Z Fold. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on any app. What do I got? What is this? Not now on that. I'm gonna just click on this and leave it there. And then we do have Amazon shopping. Faster on the Fold. Click on this deal of the day. We'll leave it there. And then we do have eBay on both. And again, faster on the Z Fold. Let's see, what can I click on? I'm gonna click on this. We'll leave it there. And then Super Mario Run. Oh man, look at that screen on the Z Fold 2 though. Whew. Playing games on this thing must be a dream. And a little bit faster on the Z Fold. Tap to begin. A little bit faster on the iPhone on the second step. Temple Run 2. Man, that screen on the Z Fold though, look at that. Woo! Oh, I think I'm gonna give the win to the Fold, but let's let this run for a second. We'll confirm that. A little bit faster on the Z Fold. Tap to play. And then we do have Subway Surf. Oh, iPhone with the comeback. We'll tap to play. And then we do have Angry Birds 2. I like how this is black on the iPhone though, that's nice. Starting up and logging in on both phones. Oh, 11 Pro Max out in front. Will the Z count? Oh my gosh, so close. I cannot tell in real life, but let me know in the comments below. Slow down the video for me on YouTube and let me know in the comments. What? Whoa, what happened here on the Note? Not the Note, the Z Fold. Changed orientation on me, but we do have the Asphalt 9. Oh, 11 Pro Max is ahead. Will the Z Fold 2 catch it? What will happen right now? Oh, the Z Fold 2 with the comeback. As you can see, and the iPhone's lagging here a little bit. iPhone is lagging. And What is the iPhone doing? Taking its sweet time. iPhone is lagging here a little bit. Come on, iPhone. And there we go. And then we do have PUBG, of course. Oh, I think the Z Fold might be out in front here. Oh, I think the Z Fold's out in front. No, the iPhone with the comeback. I think this is extra stuff on the iPhone. Very close. I'll tell you what, usually the iPhone wins PUBG, but Android has been catching up. Okay. And then we do have Twitter. Faster on the Fold. IG. Oh, so close. Snapchat. Faster on the Fold. And then we do have the Samsung Internet and Safari. We'll go ahead and do a search for Z Fold 2. So you can see. All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and press this. All right, what do we got? What should I click on? Just check out the Verge. Verge. And then we'll pinch to zoom. You cannot do it on the iPhone. Can you do it here? Yes, you can. And I'd have to say, with the 120 Hertz display, this is nice. I mean, look at just the difference in the screen size here. Web browsing is a dream on the Z Fold, just so much bigger compared to like a regular phone, like an iPhone, or maybe like an S20, right? Just a regular phone with this kind of display. And like a folding phone, 7.6-inch display. Web browsing here, it's very nice. All right, so enough of that. Let's just go ahead and take a look at the brand management on both phones. Everything's in the background, so you can see. So I'm just gonna run through these again. And then we'll just see what happens. Any reloads or anything weird, any stutters. PUBG, ready to start. And then here we go with the Z Fold, switching orientation on me again, but that's all right. Oh, a little bit faster on the Z Fold to recover. Angry Birds 2, good to go on both. And then we do have the Subway Surf. So you can see, we can resume the game and you can continue, not a problem on either phone, Temple Run 2. And again, resume in a couple seconds. So you can see, very nice on both devices. Super Mario Run, Mario Time on both. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. Play Store, App Store. Oh, a little bit of a, I think that was a reload on the iPhone 11 Pro Max. Z Fold 2 kept it there. Calculator, same place. Clock, whoops. Still running in the background. We do have the camera on both phones. Whoops, missed touch on the right. There you go, messages. Very close. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Thanks for watching. Peace out.